Hi everyone, this is Dr. Diana Songsong and today we are going to talk about arithmetic means. But before we do any of that, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified when I release new videos. Now, in order to understand arithmetic means, you have to first understand arithmetic sequence. I have a video for that, so in case you missed that, make sure that you watch that by clicking the card above. Okay? So let us now proceed with arithmetic means.
Okay, ano bang ibig sabihin natin ng arithmetic mean? So, it says here that it is just term or terms between any two given terms of an arithmetic sequence. So, for example, meron akong arithmetic sequence na, kuha tayong madali lang, kunyari, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is an arithmetic sequence, diba? Ang common difference natin here is equal to 2, right? So, we say that 5 and 7 are two arithmetic means between 3 and 9. Okay? Okay, we want to find the arithmetic mean between 7 and 37. Pag meron tayong word na the, it means we have to insert 1 lang. Okay? So, that means 7. Mag-insert tayo ng isa. And then 37. And then this one will form an arithmetic sequence. Okay? So, kapag ganyan class, pag naghahanap ka lang ng the arithmetic mean, it's just the same as looking for the average. Okay? How do you get the average of 7 and 37? So, to get the average, diba, that's 7 plus 37 divided by 2. Correct? So, we have 44 over 2, so the answer is 22. So that's it. That's the answer. Or, diba, if we can verify, no? Will this form an arithmetic sequence? Ano class ang common difference? 22 minus 7 is 15. Tama? Okay, so remember, yun lang. Pag arithmetic mean, all you have to do, when we're looking for the arithmetic mean, you have to find the average lang. Okay, next, we want to find two arithmetic means between -4 and 5. So again, now this time around, we want to find 2. So we have -4, mag-insert tayo ng 2. So remember class, na ang kailangan natin dito is, pag meron tayong mga hinahanap na arithmetic means, we always have to find yung D natin. Ano yung kailangan nating i-add? Tama? Okay? Para makuha natin tong mga hinahanap natin. Okay? So, I will be using two methods. Yung isa, using the formulas that we have. Yung isa naman, parang sort of shortcut. I will be using the formulas muna. Okay? So, remember, our goal is to find D. So, whenever you're solving for a variable, you need to set up an equation. And saan natin yun nahanapin? Dito, yung -4 natin na given is A1. Ito, yung 5 natin would now become the fourth term. So, since we have a given na A4 is equal to 5, dito tayo gagawa ng equation. What is our formula for A4? That's A1 plus, babawasan natin ng isa yung 4, so 3D. Correct? But we know that our A1 is -4. So, -4 plus 3D is equal to 5. Tama? And then we will now isolate D. Ilipat ko muna. So, this is 5 plus 4. We will transpose. So, 3D is 9. Dividing both sides by 3. So, divide by 3. We now get that D is equal to 3. Understand? So, yun na. kuha na natin, palitan ko na to class, papalitan na natin to ng 3. So, this is always plus 3 plus 3. So, i-check natin dapat tama. So, negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Next. What do we have? Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. And then, check lang natin. And then, we have 2 plus 3 is 5. So, tama tayo. These are really the arithmetic means between negative 4 and 5. So, remember, kapag merong ganitong question, i-summarize ko lang, ang goal natin is to always find D. And paano natin hahanapin yung D? Anong equation yung isa-set up natin? We will be using the last term, just like what we did here. Doon tayo mag-set up ng equation. Okay? Now, I will be discussing an alternative method for to solve this problem without using equations. Okay, so dito, isosolve natin to without making an equation. So ito, wait. Negative 4, that's our A1, tama? And then, hinahanap natin is, wait, yung A4 natin is 5. Hinahanap natin yung dalawa dito. Right? So, hinahanap natin ito, tsaka to. Okay. So, okay. From A1, papuntang A4 class, ilan ang tinalon mo? Ilan? Diba? Wait, sige, purahin muna natin to. So, dito, plus D uli. Parang yung kanina lang. Dito, plus D. And then, lastly, plus D. Tama, class? Kasi dito yung A2, dito yung A3. Correct? So, ibig sabihin, from A1 to A4, you have to add 3 D's. D plus D plus D. Correct? So, pero from here, from negative 4 to 5, ano yung in-add natin? What do you need to add to negative 4 to get 5? O, kung hindi mo alam yon, subtract mo na lang, di ba? 5 minus negative 4. That is equal to 9. Tama? Negative 4 plus 9. Right? Negative 4 plus 9 is equal to 5. From here, ito na siya. Pwedeng ito na. So, we now have that 9 is equal to 3D. So, D is equal to 3. Parang yung kanina lang din, pero medyo iba lang yung presentation niya. So, ito, alam natin, papalitan na natin na this is 3, 3, 3. So, yun na. So, ganun na. Negative 4 plus 3 is 1, 1. Oops, sorry. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. And then, 2 plus 3 is 5. So, ito, medyo mas maganda yung presentation niya. Okay? Okay, so let's have another example. We want to insert 4 arithmetic means between 7 and 27. Okay, so let us proceed. So it's like we have 7 and then we want to insert 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers between 7 and 27 so that this one will form an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so now let us just try what we did earlier. Okay, but in this case, I will do it in sort of horizontal form. Okay, so from 7 going to 27, how many jumps do we need? Okay, so we need, how many jumps is that? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? So, we need to jump 5 times. By how much? D times, right? So again, so that means this one here is plus D, plus D, plus D, plus D, and lastly, plus D. So again, that means that is 5 times D, correct? Okay, so let me just erase that. I just wanted to show you that we have a jump of 5 times D. So this one here, jump 5D. Okay? But from 7 to 27, what is the difference between 7 and 27? That is 27 minus 7, or 20, correct? So now, from here, we can see that 5D is equal to 20. So let's just write that down. 5D is equal to 20. So since we want to find D, because remember our arithmetic sequence, in our arithmetic sequence, once we know our common difference D, then we can get the entire sequence. So we divide both sides by 5. Alright, so divided by 5, so we now get that D is equal to 4. So let us now complete our sequence. So we have 7, so our D is now 4. So it's plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, right? So our sequence, our arithmetic means would be 11 plus 4 is 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 4 is 23. And lastly, you can check that it's correct that 27 is really the next term. So therefore, these are the 4 arithmetic means between 7 and 27.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also watch for more videos here.